In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a photo in Gmail. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to attach and send images confidently, whether you're on a computer or using a browser on your device. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your inbox page, look toward the top left corner and click on the Compose button. This opens a new message window where you'll create your email. At the top of this window, you'll see the To field. Click there and type the email address of the person you want to send the photo to. Under that, you'll see the subject line. It's a good idea to add a short, clear subject like vacation photos or picture from the event, so the recipient knows what to expect. Now, in the large message area, you can type a short message if you'd like. Something as simple as, "Hi, I'm sending you the photo we talked about," works well. This gives your email some context and feels more personal. Next, let's attach the photo. At the bottom of the Compose window, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the one that looks like a paperclip. This is the Attach Files button. Click on it and a File Explorer window will open. From here, navigate to the folder on your computer where your photo is stored. When you find the photo you want to send, click on it once to select it. Then choose Open or Select. You'll see the file start uploading at the bottom of your email. Wait for it to finish. This usually only takes a few seconds, depending on your internet speed and the size of the image. Once it's attached, you'll see the file name and a small thumbnail preview in the email. If you want to double-check what you're sending, you can click on that thumbnail to preview the picture. Make sure it's the correct image, and if you attached the wrong one, simply click the small X next to the file name to remove it, then repeat the attach process with the right photo. When everything looks good, take a quick moment to review the recipient's email address and your message. When you're ready, click the Send button at the bottom left of the Compose window. Gmail will send your email, and you'll see a small confirmation message appear. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to send a photo in Gmail, from composing the message to attaching the image and sending it off.